Alright, still on array, we want to learn four other things about array. We have something called shift, we have the unshift, we have the pop, and we have the push. Okay, so let's learn them one after the other. Let's start with the shift. We use the shift method if we don't want the first item of the array list rather. We have list of cars here. If we want to upload all this list as we have declared here, okay, let's check what we have here. This one has uploaded everything. This is what we have here, Lexos, ML, so it's stating everything we have here. But in case we want everything to show except the first one, then we use the shift method. So just a cars dot shift, then you declare your parameters, and then you can include your semicolon. So this way now, if we go back there now to check the list, it's going to show all the list, going to show just these four. Lexus will have been removed. Let's refresh. Okay, as you can see now, Lexus has been removed. We are left with just four cars. Okay, so in case we want to add, let's say we want to add something else and we want it to be at the beginning, so we can use the unshift method. Then we put the name of the item we want to add. Okay, so let's say I want to add a Lamborghini. Okay, so this way now, let's save and come back here to refresh. I don't even know if I get the spelling of Lamborghini. Can you see it now? So now we have Lamborghini, Lexus, and all of that. So that is shift to remove the first item, on shift to add another item that will be on the first space. Then we have something else again we can add. So we can remove the last item by using the pop method. So class.pop. So then make sure you always declare your parameter. So with this, the last item will be removed, and that is Corolla. So let's go back here to check. Can you see now? So we now have Lexus, ML, RAV4, Camry without the Corolla, because we have declared this pop, cars.pop. Okay, then we can also add something to the last part as we added to the first line before. So we used push, and then we had the name of the, let me see if I can get spelling of Ferrari. Okay, let's say I want to add Ferrari. Okay, don't mind, but I don't sell cars, I may not get the spelling. I only know the one I'm using. So cars.push, then Ferrari. So let's see, it's going to be added to the last part now. Corolla will come back, then Ferrari will be added. So can we all get that now? So it seems we have learned shift, unshift, pop, and then push. Put everything into trial. Let's see. Alright, see you in the next class.